To view Semrush position tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Here you can create a new project or select an existing one to work with. Once you have selected your project, click on the Position Tracking tab. This will take you to the Position Tracking dashboard where you can set up and view your keyword rankings. To set up position tracking, click on the Set Up Position Tracking button and enter the domain you want to track. You can also add competitors to track their keyword rankings as well. Next, enter the keywords you want to track. You can add individual keywords or upload a list of keywords from a CSV file. After setting up your position tracking campaign, Semrush will start tracking your keyword rankings. You can view your rankings by clicking on the Overview tab. Here you can see your average position, the number of keywords in the top 10, and the number of keywords in the top 100. You can also view your competitors' rankings and compare them to your own. To view more detailed information about your keyword rankings, click on the Keywords tab. Here you can see the current position of each keyword, the previous position, and the change in position. You can also use the filters to narrow down your keyword list and view specific keywords. For example, you can filter by keyword tag or by position. Best practices for using Semrush position tracking include regularly monitoring your keyword rankings, adjusting your SEO strategy based on your rankings, and keeping an eye on your competitors. By following these steps and using Semrush position tracking effectively, you can improve your keyword rankings and increase your online visibility. Regularly tracking your keyword rankings can help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your SEO strategy.